We're on to episode 3 now of saving Ursula, the self-priming quantum engine mower that has lots of things wrong with her. I've got a rubber band on here for now so that when I'm ready to do my test before I invest in a new cable, I'm going to shut her off by doing that. So just as a method to stop one, that's a good temporary, just for testing purposes, okay? And we're going to start working on this carburetor and get the spring straightened out. I'll probably install a new one there. And I'm hoping I've got a spare wheel adjuster and that these things aren't too rusted to where I can't get them off. That one looks okay. They'll probably all have to be lubricated and cleaned to work properly. So let's get started. This is episode 3 of Saving Ursula. I think I'll get the rewinder off. Or at least get it out of the way. Slip it through the gas tank and then set that aside. Let's take a look at this plug. I don't think that's the right plug. Get my spark plug wrench here. That was too small. Try that one. That's just right. Let's see. What kind of plug we got here? Don't believe that is going to work. It's too short, too short. Let's set that over there. Maybe this will be okay. Here's one Briggs and Stratton. I'm pretty sure that's, it looks like it's about gap right. I'll leave that unplugged for now. Let's see, since I've got the camera there, I think what we'll do next is, hope that'll stay there when I go back here with this guy. Okay, the tank is sort of staying in place. I'm going to get this blade off, but it's pretty bent and pretty horrible. Get a weight. I've got my toolbox on the handle. Let me get my blade stop mechanism here. This is a custom thing I made and use. Small C-clamp with a 2x4 and a 1-inch and a spring. Put that there. The blade's going to come this way to get it off. So I'm going to put the C-clamp on top. So I want the blade to hit metal. My dipstick is leaking. Hang on a second. I'll get this on here, then I'll worry about that. happen. I don't want that dipstick anyway, so I think what I'll do is replace that dipstick. Get my dipstick collection. Alright, here's my Quantum engine dipstick collection. Let's see if I can pick out a good one. Oh, that one looks real nice. So let's go with that. Let's see if I can ooch her out of there. Get this one in there. There we go. And I wonder why that thing was leaking. Probably got a bad. That doesn't look too bad, but I got so many of them, I'm just going to toss that one aside. So she's in there. Let me go back with it now and see if this one leaks. All right, I'm not seeing any leaks yet. I'm going to clean that little spill up before I stiffen it. 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil down there. That's done. So we got our blade block in place. Oops. Yeah. Flywheel's turned, of course. Okay, so the tank is still there. Now, I use a breaker bar on my blades because I don't like to use an impact wrench because it slips and you score that and they can be difficult to get off. The breaker bar is strong, but it's easy to control. So I got my 5/8 on there, and there we go. Blades hitting the blade block. Then they go up. Oh, they put it on good. All right. Get her started, then you can kind of hold it like this and finish it, or put your electric drill on there. Now I can just use my fingers, and we will get this upside down blade, which is damaged, and get it off of there. It's got the long screw. There's your damaged blade, all bent and horrible. Let me see. Guess I could put this new blade on there. Since it's here, I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, like I was telling you earlier, you want the curved part, the edges kind of down. You don't want it up, even though you're thinking that would help hold it on, but that's not what holds it on. This bow tie and these 2 knobs here hold it in place. So you're going to go like this, so as the blade comes around, the cutting edge is leading and throwing it out that hole, okay? So it's going to go on like that. Let me go ahead and move my block. Get this blade on here and get it started. Look like the crankshaft is bent because the blade's the same here and same there, and course, you want to check here and here also to see if it's off. And if it is, then the crankshaft is bent. So let's get this on here. Because now we're going to come this way. So I want the C-clamp on the bottom. Yes, I have done this hundreds and hundreds of times. Let's get it kind of snug, just going it this way. There we go. Now, a little bit of resistance. 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 That was a lot. Okay, that's enough. You don't want to over tighten them. All right, let's clear some stuff away here. Give me a minute, and I will come back. I want to get some of this junk out of the way. Need to put up my dipstick collection. So we've got us a brand new blade on here. If this engine doesn't run right or it's broken, whatever, I'll take that blade off and put it on our other mower someday. But this one has to be thrown away. So let me get that out of the way. We're gonna set her down now. Got a little bit of drip from that other oil tube. Get that cleaned away. It's a really funky mower. A lot of dirt and grunge on it. Okay, I think that's enough for this episode, because next thing I'm going to do is work on that carburetor over there. So stay tuned. We're going to do the carburetor next.